Partner with Anthony Morrison, my experience. You can do this. Have you wondered, I could do this? All I need is inspiration. Have you asked, what can I do now? Why is this happening? Where does inspiration come from? And can I possibly do this? I tell you, yes, you can do this. You can with step-by-step instruction and a great support team. I know you can. For me, it came silently in the night, a thought. I remember it's usually around 2:30 or 3 a.m. I found myself wide awake from a sound sleep. It has been a while, yet I wondered what was happening. Why 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning? Then it occurred to me, in the service, I worked night ops, and that is usually when all hell broke loose. If it was going to break loose, it was between 2 and 3 a.m. in the morning. Now it's just quiet and stillness, and I need to fill that stillness with something. It's been a real learning experience. Now I am learning. Now if I find myself up at that time in the morning, I'm not shaken by it. Like right now, I'm doing a video, at least a script for one. I'm learning to use those still moments to expand my business, a business that I'm learning how to make through the Partner with Anthony program. Anthony Morrison is my mentor. He can be yours. I have had few mentors in my life, some who were technically proficient like those who trained me in the military. Then there were others who have the ability to inspire and motivate people like some of the church pastors I knew. But few of these mentors had both the quality of being technically proficient and having the ability to inspire that proficiency in others. Anthony Morrison is such a person. Learn to be a doer by following. When I was younger, I had a very successful paper route, made enough money for a full year at college. I have worked for a lot of entrepreneurs and startups, but the owners were not inspiring, and at the time, I was more of a follower than a doer. Now that I've started the Partner with Anthony program, I'm more of a doer, and I'm learning how to follow. Be of an entrepreneurial mindset. That is, I'm learning how to follow the proper steps for setting up a business online. I'm learning that there is no get-rich-quick scheme, that taking time to learn is still part of growing your business. What's more important is taking time to learn is growing oneself into being of an entrepreneurial mindset. Come, be inspired. Anthony Morrison has been inspiring to me for many reasons. He takes time to do step-by-step videos that help us learn, and we need to learn to be successful in the Partner with Anthony program. Share inspiration with others. But on those occasions, the holiday falls on the day that Anthony set aside for a webinar for us to watch and learn from. He is there and inspires us to be there. And by being there, we learn not only to be technically proficient, but how to inspire others to that same technical proficiency. Never give up. Once more, Anthony being there for his webinar, even on Valentine's Day, helps me through a rough patch. This year, because Valentine's Day was doubly troublesome, it was the anniversary of the death of my wife and child. And I lost a sister earlier this year and was feeling quite down. Anthony being there inspired me to continue on with this Partner with Anthony program. Get outside of your comfort zone. When I needed something to inspire me and something to do to keep my mind occupied in a positive way, the Partner with Anthony program provided that for me. It's allowing me to learn more about myself. I can do things to get outside of my comfort zone and challenge myself to bigger and larger things. Learn to set up a business email. Now, before this program, I had very little knowledge of what emails were about. We all know we get emails, but how do we get emails and how does it really work? I learned that through this program, Partner with Anthony, and you can learn that too. I learned how to create my own business email. Create and connect autoresponders. Through this program, I learned how to set up my own business email and how it is connected to my own domain. Lots of programs teach you to get a domain. They even help you set up a web page. But that's as far as they go. Here, we use something called ClickFunnels, and we learn to connect to autoresponders and tracking software. We actually learn how it works together to help us with that all-important list. You own your own email list. Yes, the email list that everybody else gets, where you just promote their product and you get an affiliate commission, and then that's all. But how does it work? Why should you have your own list? You can find that out here in the Partner with Anthony program. Face your fears and learn to network. If you're timid or you're camera shy, you have trouble just speaking with people directly, that doesn't matter. What matters is you learn how important an entrepreneurial mindset is. Entrepreneurial mindset is explained to you, what that means and why it's important. You learn how to face yourself, how to face your fears, how to find what your why is, and how to put it all together in a story. That is not only helping you move forward, but inspiring others to move forward. You get to share that here in this program and through the Success Connection Facebook group. Create a business step by step. You learn how to make a funnel, but you're not left hanging. You are provided with a funnel, and then it is explained how you can edit that funnel and make it your own. But one of the most encouraging things is it's done step by step. And for some people, that can be frustrating because you can't fast forward. You have to take each video and follow through what it is teaching you before going on to the next video. You must complete a session of videos before you go on to the next session, which you have to wait 24 hours to do. That has been the most helpful thing for me because it forced me to slow down, to absorb what it is that I'm learning. You have the ability to go back, watch each of the videos anytime you need help, and take as long as you want to go through them. Be faithful to yourself. Follow the steps. Follow each step faithfully and you will have an up and running online business. I'm now at the step where we're doing the video and I'm providing a script for myself so that I can do this video. But here's the thing. I also get to share this video with other members of the Partner with Anthony program. Through networking with others, we get to help each other's business to grow. Motivation and encouragement. This may all seem like rambling to you. If it is, I apologize. But the first time since I got out of the service in 1986, I have found something that I can be excited about. I found a mentor in the videos that Anthony Morrison gives in his Partner with Anthony program, and they inspire, encourage, educate, and create motivation. This builds determination and inspires real live action steps to take for having a successful online and entrepreneurial business. Act now. Click the link below. So if this is you sitting up, reawakening in the middle of the night, just pondering what it is you want to do, you're frustrated perhaps that everything you've tried hasn't quite got off the ground. Maybe you're successful and you want to be more successful. I encourage you to come join us in the Partner with Anthony program. Click the link below. Come share our adventure. Click the link now.